you have a data that need to be split, then let's say for example like the one I have in this my worksheet where I have names. Maybe I want to split the first name from the last name, or maybe something like maybe something that looks closer to that. Now one of the best tools you should use should be what Excel, because Excel has the capability of splitting things just like the way we do import data and also export data in Excel. So what I'm going to do here is to create a new column where the split document, or maybe the split data, will what contain. So I'll come over here and select this my column B, and right click and choose what insert. And the reason why I'm inserting a new column is so that I can have a space where the document, or maybe where the text I want to split will what be contained in. So I'll come here now and select this. Instead of selecting scrolling down, I'll just hold down my my Control Shift key and my down arrow key to make the entire selection of this area, and I'll go to where I have my data. Then here I'll choose, under this my data tools, I'll choose text to columns. So once I've choose my text to columns, you can see, and I have a convert text to columns wizard, which shows me I have 3 different steps. Make sure make sure the file type that you chose should be delimited, and I'll click on next. Now here it is showing me that my delimiter is tab, but my delimiter here is just a space. So I'll come here and choose space and deselect this. Make sure the space is selected, and I'll click on next. Now if I have a cell, maybe if I have a cell that I don't want to, add to this place, maybe I have maybe any of these cells, or maybe any of these cells or columns that I have, maybe I don't want to add it, I'll just click and choose not to import. But since I want to split the cell, all I just need to do is to click on finish. As I've clicked on finish, you can now see here I have the names correctly arranged, that have been split into 3, that have been split into different parts. You can see here I have the name Nnamdi Mark, I have Raji DVC, just like the way it was before. Excel has splits them for me automatically, so I can just come down here and autofill this. So I'll come here and type in half of first name, and I'll go over to this one and type in a last name, hit enter. So I have my document view, I have my text, and my document, which have been already been split. So if you watch the video about how to import text into Excel, or how to import text into Excel environment, I also export cells from Excel into other applications, you'll find out that the steps that we use to import, or the step that we use to split this text, is also still the same way that we did for the import and export. And this is because Excel uses the same text wizard to import, and also the same text wizard to do split text in a worksheet.